Good morning, students. As usual, I came online to teach you. I am continuing teaching English grammar. Today I am going to teach chapter 2 and chapter 3 of standard 7 in grammar. In chapter 2, countable and uncountable noun. First of all, I would like to explain. Countable means the things, substances are able to be counted, such as pens, books, bricks. These are able to be counted. But things such as water, milk, rice, they are not able to be counted. These are called uncountable nouns. So you can say that common noun and collective noun, they are called countable noun. While I explained material noun and abstract noun, they are called uncountable noun because you can't count milk, rice, gas, water. You can't count childhood, oldhood, friendship, emotions, etc. So I hope that you understood countable, uncountable, because in last explanations I explained common noun and material nouns, they are called countable noun, while common noun and collective nouns, they are called countable noun, while material nouns and abstract nouns, they are called uncountable nouns. Proper noun is different. I explained also proper noun. So I hope that it is so easy. You will do exercise of chapter 2, exercise A, B, C. At the time of completing exercise, if you feel any kind of problem, you can ask me. Definitely I'll explain more and more for your understanding. Next chapter, adjectives. It is third chapter of English grammar in standard 7. Adjective means to qualify. Add means to qualify, to modify something. As you watch ad, different kinds of ad on your television. So adjective, you write down definition. What is an adjective? Adjective is a word that is used to modify nouns, comma, pronouns in the sentence. Full stop. This is called adjective. Such as example, our school is good. Good is used to modify school. Next, you are wearing black t-shirt. Black is adjective, underline black. According to your book, there are two kinds of adjective, attributive and predicative adjectives. Write down. There are two kinds of adjective according to standard 7 book, attributive and predicative adjectives. First, what is attributive? Write down definition. Attributive adjective is used just before noun to modify it, comma, known as attributive adjective. For example, the happy boy is playing cricket in the ground. Underline happy. Next, what is a predicative adjective? The adjective which is used after noun to modify it, comma, known as predicative adjective. For example, your school ground is big. Underline big. Big is used to modify school ground after noun. So in this case you can say that it is predicative. Okay, by this process you do exercise A. Next, forms of adjective. There are 3 forms of adjective. Positive adjective, when adjective is in its main form, this is called positive form. Again, when you compare your adjective between 2 nouns or pronouns, this is called comparative form of adjective. When you compare your adjective more than 2 nouns or pronouns, this is called superlative form of adjective. Such as make a column: positive, comparative and superlative. Example: good in positive, comparative better, superlative best. Good, better, best. How can you identify comparative form and superlative form? When e are put in the last letter of adjective, this is called comparative form of adjective. When est put in the last letter of positive adjective, this is called superlative. Like good, better, best, tall, taller, tallest, short, shorter, shortest, etc. It is so easy, you will do it. Exercise A, B, C, again D you do. There are some irregular forms of comparative and superlative, like good, better, best, much, more, most, little, less, least, bad, worse, worst, old, older, oldest. These are different, so you have to learn this. You learn and you do exercise. I have given you exercise of chapter 2 and chapter 3. I have explained definitions with examples. I hope that you have understood all my explanations. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Definitely you are supposed to ask any questions related to English, especially the chapter that I have explained. Bye. Thank you.